Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix 5G data not available in your Motorola smartphone. So how you can enable that. So firstly you have to open your settings. So friends, then you have to click on search in your settings and right here reset. Click on reset options, and then here it is reset mobile network settings. This will reset all your mobile network settings. So click on reset, apply the passcode here, and you can see the network settings has been reset now. Then friends, you have to open your settings again. Click on applications, see all applications, search, and right here Google Play Services, clear cache and clear data this, and again click on search right here Android system. Click on clear cache, clear data. This will, and friends, after this it will solve your problem. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.